London is one of the most singular cities in the world. It really is. Whether you're interested in culture, walking in huge parks,
No!
and even meeting the Queen.
What?
Yes, that's me. The name is Herbert, but you can call me Professor Wells, and I teach in one of the most ambitious universities in the city. Indeed, I strongly believe in the importance of my job. Science is not about silly convictions like killer robots or
alien invasion!
Okay, stop for a second. I know what you're thinking, and yes, the human race still exists, or you wouldn't be hearing me right now. Let's say that even alien plans have flaws. Viral rhinitis, also known as the common cold. I mean, common for a human being. It seems to be lethal to aliens.
Something's unbelievable. The city of London was almost destroyed by mysterious invaders which, according to the experts, came from Mars.
To be honest, I never believed that something like that could ever happen. And I wasn't surprised when I heard how people panicked for it. Typical. If I would have been there during the attack, I'd have appealed to my intellect. And excuse me. Are you an... But how did you escape the security? So, what are you doing in my house? Just a second, please.
Quarantine.
Fair enough.